Start.
Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is for bottle height checking of the bottle. This comes in 6 inches and 12 inches, 150 mm to 300 mm. You can put this here. You can switch on by this switch. I can show you the closer. Here it shows you the switch on. Let me show you. This one is for switch on and off. This one will hold 0 setting mm inches. If I just put it here and make it 0, I can make it here, we can make it 0. Now if I just take it to the top and then bring it here, the reading will show you how much is the height. 6.2326 is the inches. This is in readings can be seen. Here we can lock and do a minor adjustment also if you want to check it very precise. This one is having a stable. You can do the reading, and then this comes you. All bottles can be checked here. What is the height of this? Please see the new products of the pet bottle testing on the website which are coming, abronexports.com. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049. You can give order on this and give a chat, and 9416020018. Abron Export. This comes with the spare. This part is also available, and another part is also coming with this spare. Very accurate instrument. This is for precision work. Thank you very much. Subscribe the channel. We have got all the pet bottle testing instruments. Subscribe to the channel. Share the videos, like the video. Thank you.